This is Orion, our first fully functioning prototype, and if I do say so, the most advanced glasses the world has ever seen.
Have you ever wondered what the future of technology looks like? Meta's Orion Smart Glasses might just be the answer. These aren't your typical tech gadgets. They're set to change the way we interact with the digital world. Imagine a device that seamlessly integrates into your daily life, offering augmented reality right before your eyes. Meta's Orion Smart Glasses promise to do just that, potentially redefining our relationship with technology and even replacing smartphones. In this video, we'll break down how these glasses could change everything, the tech behind them, and whether they really live up to the hype. So let's begin. 5 years ago, Meta announced its ambitious plan to develop AR glasses, envisioning a world where digital information is seamlessly integrated into our physical surroundings. The goal was to create a device that doesn't force you to choose between accessing information and being present in the real world. Today, with the unveiling of Orion, Meta believes it has achieved the most advanced AR glasses ever made, bridging the gap between the physical and virtual worlds. This journey wasn't just about technological advancement, it was about reimagining the very fabric of our daily interactions, making technology an invisible yet integral part of our lives. The journey of augmented reality glasses has been a roller coaster. Remember Google Glass? It was one of the first attempts to bring AR to the masses, but it stumbled due to privacy concerns and a design that made you look like a cyborg. Then came Microsoft's HoloLens, a more sophisticated device but still too bulky and expensive for everyday use. Magic Leap promised a revolution but fell short of expectations. Fast forward to today, and Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, is making a bold move with Orion. This isn't just another tech launch, it's a statement of intent. A declaration that the future of AR is not just possible, but imminent. Meta has been investing heavily in augmented and virtual reality, betting big on the future of immersive experiences. Orion represents their most advanced AR technology yet, with the potential to replace smartphones. But what makes Orion stand out in a crowded field of AR devices? It's not just about the technology, it's about the vision. Meta sees a future where AR glasses are as ubiquitous as smartphones, where the digital and physical worlds are seamlessly intertwined, enhancing everything from how we work to how we play. Design has always been a significant barrier to the adoption of AR glasses. No one wants to wear something that looks like it belongs in a science fiction movie. Meta's Orion glasses tackle this with a sleek, lightweight design. Weighing under 100 grams, they're significantly lighter than competitors like Magic Leap, which weigh over 250 grams. Meta's goal is to make Orion look and feel like a regular pair of glasses, something you'd be comfortable wearing all day. This focus on design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a product that fits effortlessly into your life, one that you forget you're even wearing. But don't be fooled by their appearance. Orion glasses are far from ordinary. They consist of 3 main components: the glasses themselves, an external computing unit that fits into your pocket, and an electromyography wristband that reads muscle movements for input. This setup allows the glasses to remain lightweight, but it does mean you'll need to carry an additional piece of hardware. This combination of components is a testament to Meta's commitment to innovation, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in AR technology. The technology packed into these glasses is impressive. Orion features a holographic display with a 70-degree field of view, offering a more immersive AR experience than many current devices. This wider field of view allows digital content to blend seamlessly with the real world, creating a more natural user experience. Imagine walking down the street and seeing directions overlaid on the sidewalk, or having a video call where the person appears right in front of you, as if they're standing there. This isn't just about convenience, it's about creating experiences that feel magical, that make the impossible possible. Interaction with Orion is designed to be intuitive. The EMG wristband detects even the smallest muscle movements, enabling users to control the AR interface with subtle hand gestures like pinching or swiping. Voice commands also play a significant role, allowing users to perform tasks using natural language. Imagine asking your glasses to search for information, play music, or start a video call, all without touching a device. This level of interaction isn't just about functionality. It's about creating a seamless, intuitive experience that feels like a natural extension of yourself. However, Orion isn't yet a fully self-contained device like a smartphone. The reliance on an external computing unit could be seen as a step backward in terms of convenience, but this trade-off allows for a more powerful and immersive AR experience than what's currently available. It's a balancing act between form and function, between creating a device that's powerful enough to handle complex tasks while still being comfortable enough to wear all day. Meta envisions Orion as a potential smartphone replacement, With these glasses, you could make phone calls, send messages, and even attend video calls without ever pulling out your phone. Navigation becomes more seamless, with directions overlaid directly onto your real-world environment. You could receive notifications, browse social media, and watch videos, all while keeping your hands free. This isn't just about replacing a device, it's about reimagining how we interact with technology, making it more integrated, more intuitive, and more human. Yet challenges remain. Battery life is a critical concern for AR devices, and Orion is no exception. Most AR glasses today can only run for a few hours before needing a recharge. The external computing unit may help extend battery life, but the added hardware could be a deal breaker for users seeking true mobility. This is a challenge that Meta is keenly aware of and one that they're actively working to address, exploring new technologies and innovations to make all-day wear a reality. Cost is another factor. While Meta hasn't announced a price for Orion, it's likely to be more expensive than a typical smartphone. For comparison, Apple's Vision Pro headset, which also aims to replace traditional devices with a mixed reality experience, is priced at $3,499. If Orion follows a similar pricing strategy, it could be out of reach for most consumers. However, Meta is committed to making AR accessible to as many people as possible, exploring ways to bring costs down and make the technology more affordable. One of the most exciting features of Orion is its integration with Meta AI, a powerful system designed to make the AR experience more intuitive and interactive. Meta AI allows the glasses to understand the user's environment and provide real-time, contextual information. This transforms the glasses from a simple display screen to a tool that actively engages with the world around you. Imagine walking into a room and having the glasses identify objects, provide information, and even suggest actions based on your surroundings. This level of intelligence isn't just about convenience, it's about creating a truly smart device that enhances your life in meaningful ways. Meta isn't alone in the race to create AR glasses. Apple, with its Vision Pro, has also set its sights on dominating the augmented reality market. While Meta's Orion focuses on being lightweight and stylish, Apple's Vision Pro leans more toward advanced, immersive functionality. Google, too, has a history with AR glasses, though its early attempt with Google Glass was met with limited success. Meanwhile, companies like Microsoft and Magic Leap have focused on enterprise AR, with products geared towards specific professional uses. This competitive landscape is a testament to the potential of AR technology, and Meta is determined to lead the charge, leveraging its vast ecosystem and resources to drive innovation and adoption. Meta's advantage lies in its vast ecosystem. With billions of users on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, Meta can leverage its social media dominance to drive adoption of Orion. Features like hands-free social media browsing and integrated messaging could give Orion an edge over competitors focused solely on AR functionality. This isn't just about creating a new device, it's about creating a new way of interacting with the digital world, one that's more connected, more integrated, and more human. As of now, Meta has not provided an official release date for Orion, but the glasses are still in the prototype stage. The current version is being tested by Meta employees and select external partners to refine the product. Industry reports suggest a consumer version could be released around 2027, but Meta hopes to bring the product to market sooner if development progresses quickly. This timeline reflects the complexity and ambition of the project as Meta works to perfect the technology and create a product that's ready for the mainstream. Meta's Orion glasses represent a significant step forward in augmented reality. With their sleek design, advanced features, and integration with Meta AI, they have the potential to revolutionize how we interact with digital information. However, there are still many hurdles to overcome before AR glasses can replace smartphones. Battery life, cost, and the need for multiple components make it unlikely that Orion will become a mainstream device in the immediate future. But Meta is undeterred, committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible and creating a future where AR is an integral part of our daily lives. That said, the potential for AR glasses to transform industries, from entertainment to education and even healthcare, is enormous. Imagine doctors using AR glasses to overlay patient information during surgery, or teachers using them to create interactive, immersive lessons. The possibilities are endless, and Meta is at the forefront of this exciting new frontier. Whether Meta succeeds in making Orion a household name remains to be seen, but the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of AR technology is undeniable. The future of computing may not be in our hands, it could be sitting right in front of our eyes. By the way, guys, if you've made it this far, let me know what you think in the comments below. For more interesting topics, make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch recently uploaded videos. Thanks for watching.